Hi, I'm Sarahi Diaz, and I want to talk a little bit about what to expect in my workshop. Now, I have made it specifically for the working actor. What does that mean? That I want you to become a working actor. Don't we all want to be working actors? Okay? So some of the things that I put together are improv, for example. You need to be able to kick in when you need to. Not second think, just jump right in and create whatever it is that's being asked of you. So I can help you with that. I can show you tips on how to do that. Also, making strong choices with your scripts. How many of you take a character and think outside the box and make a completely edgy, different choice that maybe the writer didn't think about? You need to be able to do that too, and that all comes from analyzing the script and seeing how far you can go. How far can you go? So do you want to be a working actor?